It's the next day and I'm back. This is Secret Date Chloe, and I did go ahead last night and finish her out, and her hair is really nice and smooth. Also, I'll bring her in closely here. I fixed a lip chip on her, and her lips just need to be sealed. I'll show how to do that also. It's really not a difficult process. The only thing with doing that is I just do it for dolls for myself, or else if you're listing them for sale, I would be very honest about it and disclose that it's a partial repaint. And I think that's the ethical thing to do with those, but it's not difficult to fix. I mean, I think it looks very good. And here's Megan, and this is the one that was having some difficulties with her hair up underneath, and I boil washed it. And it did end up being very nice. Still just wants to catch there a little bit more than I like here. So she's going to get her hair styled and get a trim. Also, I put her on an articulated body instead of her real body because it gives a lot more flexibility as far as posing and photographing, and she's on there. And do take care when you pop off a head, because I had something happen I've never had happen in working with about, I'm guessing about 25 dolls. I've never had an issue popping the head off before. And last evening, it, here in my wastebasket, it broke. The head. Well, not the head broke, the neck broke, the connector. And these dolls are old. The material breaks down and gets fragile, obviously, and brittle. So, yeah, sometimes things go wrong. That's life, just how it is. So, anyway, it's not the end of the world. You can just put it on another body, spare body. Not a big deal. Okay, and here's Princess Jade. I just love her. And this is what the hair looks like when it just air dries. I don't have a super amount of product in her hair. But once again, I'm starting at the tips just to be really careful and combing out her hair. And since I don't feel any resistance at all, if you do, go back and use your roller comb if you're feeling any kind of resistance going through the hair. But this is just super, super smooth. And it really is nice. Now, I don't know what was going on before, because if you remember back when I was washing, it may have had product in. It may not have been shampooed in a while. And I'm not complaining, because these dolls were sold at a very reasonable price. I mean, you do have to realize you generally get what you pay for. So I have no complaints with the seller at all. In fact, I was very happy with the price and her honesty, and I certainly appreciate that. Try to do that with my customers as well. But these ladies are going for a spa day today too. Now, Jade also has a lip chip. And let's see if the camera will pick it up. It's down here, right in here. It's gone down to the nude color. And it's really not super noticeable, but there again, it's one of those things that you can easily fix. So her hair looks good, and I'm going to show you how to fix a lip chip in the next video. So stay tuned.